You guys, something that we can all agree on is that estimating absolutely sucks. But between JobTread and this new integration with Rendr, let me show you how easy it is to actually estimate projects. Something that you need to know is that I have built a cost group, like a template, if you will, for a simple kitchen upgrade. You can see that in here I have all of these things from demo, electrical, cabinets, flooring, and in each of these line items I have these tied to a specific Rendr parameter. Now there is a list of maybe 15 different parameters that you can choose from. In here for flooring, you can see that I'm using square footage. For shoe molding, I'm using perimeter. For tile, I am using the square feet of backsplash. So I have this template already built out. So watch as I create a job. Kitchen update here. This has no budget yet, but what we're going to do is we're going to attach a Rendr space. This is one that I did this morning. I'm just going to go ahead and add this right to the job. And as soon as it's connected, you'll see that here's the list of all the parameters that we're able to bring in. Let's go ahead and import those here and navigate over to our budget tab, where if I just go ahead and select that kitchen upgrade template, it's going to automatically build this estimate for me. This is incredible, guys. It's already pulling in all of the parameters for each one of these particular items, informing it of how much of everything to put into this estimate, building it instantly. This is going to be powerful. Come see me at the JobTread Connect booth if you guys are going to be out at Connect later on this week. I'd love to show you more about the power of Rendr and JobTread together.